Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Dear my beloved friends, please pay attention for me. Pay attention to me for 7 minutes. Yeah. I'm going to do presentation about my mapping. Okay. For the first, starting with who I am. Oh my God, it's already open. I'm Firnalia Agustin, and my nickname Firna, but actually I prefer to be called Firnalia. And you may call me Firnalia, okay, dan Firna. I was born and raised in Serang, Banten, and I have a unique hobby. Do you know what is that? Namely is scoot. I love scooting. This is my picture. I have joined Scoot since I was in elementary school. I joined a lot of competition of Scoot, and I got a lot of good certificates of Scoot. And those certificates helped me to get into the best junior high school in my city in that time. But my parents didn't allow me to continue my study in junior high school. My parents want me to continue my study in Islamic boarding school. I never imagined that I have to study in Islamic boarding school. I never imagined that I have to live and be far away with my family, and I have to live in Islamic boarding school. And I wondered, like, can I still be Scoot member if I study in Islamic boarding school? I knew that in Islamic boarding school they just study and learn about religion. But in fact, in my Islamic boarding school, I still could be Scoot member and I still could join Scoot competition. This is my picture when I was in elementary school, and this is my picture when I was in Islamic boarding school. Yeah. So when I was in Islamic senior high school, I got busy with other things that made me could not join Scoot competition anymore. I could not be Scoot member anymore. And until one day, I want to take English course in Kampung English 5. After I made that decision, I changed my habit, I changed my hobby from I love scooting to I love English very much. I love to learning English, I love to study more about English, and I want to master all subjects about English in my Islamic senior high school. And yeah, that's all about myself. And continue to the next slide. Oh my God, it's already open. This is my family. This is my family. Family. My family is the best motivation in my life. These are my father, my mother, my brother-in-law, my elder sister, my sister-in-law, and my elder brother, and this is my niece, all my niece, and this is me. My family is the best motivation in my life because as the youngest child, I carry many hopes for my family. I carry many hopes for my father and my mother. But I was very lucky because I have family who always support me and never force me to study hard. They always support me whatever my choice is. Like that. And I as the youngest child, I never forced to study hard. But from my mother and my parents, I learned more that I have to be curious about knowledge. I have to try something new in my life, like that. And yeah, especially my mother, she is the best motivation in my life. And the next slide, this is my unforgettable moment. My unforgettable moment happened when I felt like a failure. Okay. I have two unforgettable moments, and the first, that's when I felt like a failure. It happened when I joined math, physics, and biology competitions. I know I'm not really smart in science, but I grew up as a child like that, want to try something, you want to try more and more. And then I'm not really smart in science, but I try to join science competition, first math, and continue to physics and biology. But guys, I thought I have I have done my best and I have worked hard. But from this all competitions, I never been winner. I always failed. I always never be winner. Yeah, then I fail again, and I'm always lost in all competition on both sides. And yeah, that's I felt like all my hard work, all my effort, it was useless. I think, oh my God, it's not fair for me because I have worked hard and I have studied hard, but I never be winner in science competition. I have tried for 3 times in science competition, but I never be winner. But I never imagined that I never expected after I felt the saddest moment. I was given the perfect moment. I was given something special in my life. This is after the saddest moment that I felt. I was the best student in my Islamic boarding school. And when I was chosen for represent my grade to teaching practice, where all my teachers and all my friends watching me proudly. This is if in my boarding school called by Amalia Tadris. I was chosen to represent my grade. So the last, that's the moment when I never forget it. This is when I was the best student in my generation by the category Mumtaz or Excellent. And yeah, from these two unforgettable moments in my life, I learned that failure is not the end. We just need time until our luck and our change come to us in the right time. Yeah. So the last, I want to tell you about my future. This is, you can see, I draw camera. Nah, why I draw camera? Because in the future, I want to be influencer and skate content creator. I just want to be someone who always inspire and motivate many people, yeah. And that's why I choose to be influencer and content creator. I want to share my experience. I want to share about any education of my life to public, and yeah. And I hope with my dreams, content creator, I can travel around the world, and especially make my parents and my family proud of me. Okay, maybe that's all from me. And last, before that, thank you for your nice attention. And last, I say